Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to transfer from Stripe to Wise account. It's an easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Stripe account and just click on balances. You will end up over here. Here you can see at the top, please add a USD dominated bank account to pay out your USD balance. Make sure to add USD account, otherwise it won't work. On the right side, you can see it doesn't allow me. Why? Because I'm using right now a test mode at the top, as you can see. Once you are using Stripe, obviously it would be live, but right now I'm using test mode, that's why it's not showing up this option. But how you can add USD account, and if we add USD account from Wise, this would be very easy to transfer money from Stripe to Wise account. So let's go to Wise account. So this is the Wise account homepage, and here I have USD account. Just click on this option, and at the top we have an option for get account details. Click on this, and here you just need to deposit 20 euro, and you need to verify your identity with some additional documents. Once you give all these information to Wise, you can just easily click on get account details. So if I click on get account details right now, you will see that it will redirect it as here, like add money. Obviously, click on continue. After that, they will ask you to verify yourself, and there are multiple more steps to get your own account details. Once you get your account details for USD account, you can just go back to Stripe and add that bank account over here. Once you add the bank account of Wise, which is dominated in USD, how you can transfer, right? At the top right corner, you can see create. Click on this payment, and here you just need to enter the amount, customer description, statement descriptor, and obviously payment method. And we will choose the payment method of bank account, which we have already added. Make sure to recheck it if you are going to choose Wise USD account or not. Once you select that, click on the top right corner submit payment, and your transfer will be complete from Stripe to Wise account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.